Hello, everybody. We are starting and ending class laying on a rolled up blanket or a soft bolster. Not a hard foam roller, but something that is a little more soft, a little more cushioning. My favorite is to just take a blanket like this and I just roll it up. You want it rolled fairly tight. Once you get it rolled, you're going to place it on your mat lengthwise. Sit at the bottom of the blanket and just lay back onto it so that you can feel the blanket supporting your spine all the way from the tip of your tailbone up to your head. So get yourself set up here. I'll give you a moment or two. So once you've got your blanket roll and you are laying down, go ahead and rest your arms on the ground, palms facing up so that your shoulders are externally rotated. And just take a few breaths here, allowing your body to be supported, feeling your spine rest along your blanket. You might also notice the front of your chest begin to release and open as your shoulders melt down around either edge of your blanket roll. Just take a moment to turn inward and notice the experience of being supported here. If you find yourself distracted away by thoughts or sounds, gently release them and come back to the sensation of support. It might be that you notice the points at which your body is being supported and held by your blanket and by the ground beneath you. Or it might be the spaces in which this allows you to relax, release, and open. Bring your attention to your breath. Allow your breath to serve as your guide into your body. Follow your inhale inward and notice the spaces where you experience your in-breath. And feel the release of your full exhale. Slowly begin to deepen your breath so that you are inhaling down your spine into your low belly, almost as if you are directing your breath into your hips, your sit bones. And as you fully exhale, release any tension that arises. As you continue to breathe deeply into these spaces in your body, you might also notice a sense of expansion or a sense of newness as you bring intentionality into breathing into spaces in your body that you might not normally pay attention to. Instead of getting stuck in the unfamiliarity or the emotion that may arise, acknowledge how you feel or what may arise. And then again, release that with your exhale. Allowing yourself to be fully present in the physical experience in your body. Take a few more deep breaths here. after your next exhale, gently open your eyes and carefully roll over onto one side to come off of your blanket roll. Set your blanket roll aside, and then we'll return back onto our backs. Take a few breaths, noticing the shift in experience laying directly on your mat without your blanket roll there. Notice the points at which your spine is in contact with the mat. And bring some intentionality into the way in which you hold your abdomen